Hello, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Ki-Soo, Professor of Sociology and Demography and Director of the Development Cooperation Policy Program at Graduate School of International Studies, Seoul National University. Very nice to meet you. Graduate School of International Studies, GSIS, Seoul National University has run Development Cooperation Policy Program since 2008. This program started with the establishment of Department of International Development Policy, DIDP, in 2008 with the cooperation of KOICA in Korea. In 2013, this program got a new life, new title, Development Cooperation Policy Program, DCPP. Regardless of changing titles of this program, GSIS has devoted to running this program to share theoretical and practical knowledge and experiences during Korean modernization since early 1960s with people of current developing countries in Asia, Latin America, and Africa. The year of 2020 is a landmark year in DCPP at GSIS. In addition to a sort of general program for development of cooperation policy, this year's DCPP has a great opportunity to broaden its scope to gender issue in development studies. You know very well, gender and gender studies is a cutting-edge area in social science studies and development studies as well. We are very happy to be able to provide a new development studies program combining gender issues to all of you attending our master's degree program this year. Development must be pursued with the concept and perspective of gender in developing as well as developed countries in the 21st century. GSIS Gender and Development Master's Degree Program in this regard must be well recognized as a timely and leading edge of all degree programs on development. Generally, master's degree program of DCPP consists of 3 regular semesters, 2 winter and summer seasonal semesters, 2 weeks of a preliminary program before starting regular program, and thesis work for 17 months after completing coursework. In addition, field trips to industrial complex and other places are included in this program to provide you with more vivid and practical knowledge of Korean modernization and development. We usually organize 7 times of industrial inspections every year. Global companies such as Hyundai Construction and Hyundai Engineering also work together with us in running our industrial inspections. Furthermore, we host roundtables on Korea, developing countries, and Latin American countries where you can share diverse opinions, perspectives, and knowledge with GSIS students of many disciplines. Last but not least, we organize international development policy seminar, usually 3 to 4 times each semester, where DCPP students have opportunities to meet with experts from diverse fields on gender and development. Professors and staffs of DCPP are ready to help the students with the school and Korean lives during your master's studies here. So far, as of August 2019, 169 young leaders from many developing countries successfully completed master's degree program under Development Cooperation Policy Program, and 41 students are still enrolled. Domestic and international attentions to GSIS Development Cooperation Policy Program are explosively growing due to its high performance and achievement in development studies. The reality and devotion of GSIS faculty members engaged in DCPP also have greatly contributed to the high quality of DCPP at GSIS. You must be happy to benefit enormously from DCPP by joining us. Congratulations for all of you once again.